In this video, I will show how you can get softwares and games almost free of cost. Just stay with us and please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos. GoDeal24 is a rapid increasing online store which sells software and game product at low prices. On GoDeal24, you can find the hottest products with the most competitive price in the whole network. The prices of different softwares and games are very cheap because they buy products in bulk from official authorities. Meanwhile, they assure safe and secure payment methods and all the sold products are true and valid. In case of any issue, you can contact with them and they will help to solve any issue and also support 100% lifetime warranty and also money back guarantee. There is no fear of any loss caused by purchasing on GoDeal24. So let's show you how you can get these softwares and games almost free of cost. They are currently offering software special sale event and you can get up to 62% off on softwares. Let me show you how you can get it. You know MS Windows 10 key is in $199, but you can get it in very cheap price. Just follow step-by-step instructions. First, go to www.godeal24.com/software.html. Link also mentioned in the description. Now you will see Microsoft Windows 10 Professional in very first result. Click on it. From here you can add this key in your shopping cart. You can also see complete guide how to activate this key after purchasing. If you have any coupon, you can add it as I am doing. Discount coupon code is also mentioned in description. You can avail discount. Once coupon is applied, you can see total price is now almost $8. Check all purchasing detail once and then click on Proceed to Checkout. Click on Register or Checkout as guest. Enter billing information and done. After couple of minutes, you will receive your activation key via your email. So hope you like our video. You can get coupon code, everything is in description. Go check out and please like, comment and share this video and also subscribe our channel and press bell notification icon.